Did you know that the hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward? This incredible ability is due to the unique structure of the hummingbird's wings. Unlike other birds, the hummingbird can rotate its wings in a full circle, enabling it to fly in any direction. This remarkable adaptation allows the hummingbird to hover in midair, feed on nectar, and even fly upside down. The hummingbird's ability to fly backward is not only impressive, but also essential for its survival. So next time you see a hummingbird, take a moment to appreciate its extraordinary flying skills. The hummingbird truly is a marvel of nature, defying the laws of flight with its ability to fly backward. Thank you for watching and learning about the incredible flying abilities of the hummingbird. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts about the wonders of the natural world.
Remember to subscribe and like. It's essential to support the channel and help me bring new videos. Thanks and see you in the next video.